Guys, welcome back. I'm going to be showing you how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. First, you're going to do is download the TikTok Live Studio and go to the link in my description below. After you do that, you want to click Login to apply. I'm going to be using the QR code in this scenario. So when I logged in for my time, it actually brought me to like a TikTok page, but I went ahead and clicked the back arrow, and that proceeded to me to let me know that my application is in. So after that just lets you know that you gotta wait 1 day. So after I waited my 1 day, I will show you how to go live in the TikTok studio. So this is the TikTok studio app. You're gonna want to click login. I'm gonna be using the QR code in this scenario again. Now that I will be logged in, you have your options all the way down to the left side and what kind of portrait mode, landscape mode, where you want the game at, and then you also have different options for chat, so you can go live at the bottom. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next time.